Welcome to the 2018 Chevrolet Colorado LT in black. This truck is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Colorado, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, driving mode selector, integrated trailer braking, leather-wrapped steering wheel, turnkey ignition, 8-inch touchscreen loaded with navigation, Bluetooth, and satellite radio. In the center dash, you can find your climate control. Directly below that, your traction control, bed lighting, and trailering modes. And in the center console, you have the shifter. Taking a look at the exterior of the Colorado, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, black and red Colorado badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors. Around the front of the vehicle, black doe bow tie in the center of the grille. Make your way back down the side of the vehicle. This truck is remote start equipped. Step assists are installed. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. 4x4 badges on both sides of the bed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper. Towing package is installed. Black and red Colorado, red and silver V6, and black doe bow tie all on the tailgate. Heading back inside the Colorado, back seats here can be locked in the upward position and will be released by this lever here. Seats are also car seat ready. Cup holders come down here in the middle. And in the center console, we have 2 USB charging ports and a single cigarette lighter charger. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2018 Chevrolet Colorado LT. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.